Hello and welcome to the Mullvad VPN review provided by GoBestVPN.com. Mullvad VPN is a special VPN. There are so many reasons why the company has a large user base who are essentially fans of the service and the company itself. So what's so special about Mullvad and the team behind it? The company and its founders hail from Sweden and have been quite active in the privacy industry. In fact, the company was running since 2007, vocally advocating for your privacy rights. Their entire business model is about privacy. You can clearly see this in action when setting up an account and paying for the service. But let's take a quick stop and take a look at the homepage. It's super simple and neat, easy to read and easy on the eyes. On top of that, there's not much going on in terms of scripts running or tracking users with Google Analytics. And they don't even have an affiliate program, so reviewers like me can't be biased. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Mullvad's customer service department is severely lacking. In fact, it's one of the worst we've seen. There's no live chat and their operating hours are very limited. They do thrive on having great product documentation and the community is super nice as well. But if you're not tech savvy, Mullvad should not be your first pick for a VPN. This is especially true because they don't offer native apps for mobile like iOS and Android devices. And they've just recently revamped their product to look suitable for the major operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. In the end, you will have to do some configuration on your end, whether you want to torrent safely or you want to port forward for torrenting or for gaming for whatever reasons. But Mullvad does have great product documentation like I mentioned before, so if you are tech savvy, then you should have no problems whatsoever. Now let's get straight into opening our account and trying out Mullvad VPN. Maybe you got the idea that Mullvad is a little different than the rest. Even their sign-up process is completely different, but remains simple. Let's take a quick look at their sign-up page and see how they explain it. First, you generate an account number. This happens up here. You pay only €5 per month. €5 is about $5.50. And then download Mullvad and you're set. You can become a privacy ninja after that. So let's go ahead and generate our account number. 8 times 8. Oh, did I mention that you have to pass mathematics in school if you want to sign up for Mullvad? Alright, and that's it. It's as simple as that. This is my account number. And that's all there is to it. Now, from here, I just have to pay for my subscription. It's only €5 per month. And these are all the options. Got Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Cash, credit card, bank wire, PayPal, activation code, and Swish. Obviously, the most popular ones will be probably Bitcoin, Cash, credit card, bank wire, and PayPal. Now, all these options are viable, but for complete anonymity, we do suggest using something like Bitcoin. Do note that if you decide to pay with cash, you cannot ask for a refund. That means your money will be gone, and that's the end of that. But for complete anonymity, cash might also be a great idea. When you first get Mullvad VPN, you'll get this login screen. Obviously, you use the same account number that you have gotten from their website, and you sign in. Right away, I noticed that I can't move Mullvad VPN around. It's stuck to the system tray or the taskbar, and it's just stuck here. So there is some usability issues here, but it's not a big issue. Switching locations is actually super simple. You just click switch location and a server list will pop up. And from here you can either choose a region where it has no additional drop-down menus, or if you choose to expand on this menu, you can choose which server you want to connect to. Under the settings, you see how much time there is left on your account and some additional preferences you can change. If we go into the Advanced tab, we can even change the network protocol. But there's no information about encryption methods or using OpenVPN, for instance. That stuff you will have to configure some other way. In the end, we found no issues with DNS or IP leaks of any kind, and there's no surprise there. For the full VPN review that includes the results for speed tests and Netflix tests, check out our full review at GoBestVPN.com in the link in the description below.